Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Irwin and it's math time. We are going to need a few things to help us with our work today. So you need to go get your alphabet chart to use as a dry erase board, a dry erase marker, something to erase with. If you don't have this stuff, get a paper and pencil, a crown and paper, whatever you have like that, something to write with and on. You're also going to need your cubes. Okay, so remember yours may be a different color. If you don't have your cubes, get something small that you can count with, like cereal or beans or pennies or rocks, anything that you can use to count with. We're going to need 5 of them altogether because that's the number we've worked up to. Okay, so go get stuff to write with and something to count with. Pause the video and then you can hit play when you get everything and come back. I want to start today practicing our writing our numbers and putting them in the right order. So I'm going to use my dry erase board. You may be using paper and pencil, and that is okay. So first we're going to start with our number 0. So we're going to start at the top. Ready? Curve from the top, be a hero. Close the loop and make a 0. So see if you can make a 0 on your dry erase board or on your paper. Curve from the top, be a hero. Close the loop, make a 0. So everybody say 0. 0, that means none. Good job. What would come next? 1. So let's put our 1. We're going to start at the top, top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. So say 1 and write your number 1. Top to bottom, then you're done. You just wrote the number 1. So we have 0, 1. What will come next? 2, because when we count, we say 1, 2. So we're going to do our 2. Ready? Watch me. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. So make your 2. Half a moon, there's more to do. Slide to the right, now that's a 2. Good job. So let's read and count them. 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, watch me. Backwards C, backwards C. That is how you make a 3. So make your 3. Backwards C, backwards C. That is how you make a 3. Good job. Let's read and count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So our 4. Watch me. Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, then pick up, top to bottom, and you are done. So there's our number 4. 4. So you make yours. Trace down the side, cross the middle for fun, top to bottom, and you are done. Good work. Let's count and read. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need our 5 on here. So watch me. Trace down the side, curve like that, back to the top, and give it a hat. I got a little mark up there, but that's okay. There we go. So there's our 5. So now your turn to write it. Trace down the side, curve like that, pick up, back to the dot, and give it a hat. There's our 5. Let's count and read. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. We have our numbers in order. That means that they're going the same way that we count them. Good work. We're going to work a little bit more with that 4 and 5 today. So take a quick minute and erase your board, if you have one, and then you can put it off to the side. Okay? So you can put it off to the side because you will not need it again. Mrs. Irwin is still going to use it just a little bit, but you guys will not need to have it. All right, so let's take a look. Let me move some stuff out of the way. There we go. So I want us to look at some different things. So I have some butterflies. And I'm going to put my camera down so you can see my butterflies. So I have these butterflies. Let's count how many there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 butterflies. I want you to get out some of your cubes and make it the same. So you need to have 4 cubes right now, or something else to count with. 1, 2, 3, 4. So build a tower with your 4. I'm going to give you just a minute to do that. One, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So these are the same. They are equal. 4, 4. So now we're going to take and we're going to move some things. So I'm going to put my cubes right beside. You can still have yours, but watch. I'm going to move my butterflies like this. So now I still have 4, but they have a wall in between. That's what our line is. So now there's 1, 2 on this side and 1, 2 on that side. So when we say that in math, we can say 4 is the same as 2 and 2. Can you say that? 4 is the same as 2 and 2. Nice work. Now I want us to break our tower to show the same as the butterflies. So we have our 4, but we need to make it 2 and 2. So can you build your 4 like a 2 and 2? There's mine, see, 2 and 2. It kind of makes it look like a square when we do it like this. But there are still 4, just a different way. All right, let's stack those back up. I'm going to put all of these back over here. I'm going to move one over. Now look, there's 1, 2, 3, and 1, but there's still 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break our tower that way. Can you make your tower turn into 3 and 1? Just like our butterflies, 3 and 1 still makes 4. Nice job. All right, let's add one more butterfly. So that makes us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to add another cube to our tower too to make it be 5. Or you need to get one more counter to make 5, whatever you're using. All right, so I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the same as our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 can be the same as, let's see, let's move 2 of them over. It's the same as 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. So 5 is the same as 3 and 2. See if you can make your towers show that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. When we put them together, it's still 5. Good job. Let's try it one more way. I'm going to move these back over, put my tower back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as I look, I'm going to move 1 over this time, just 1. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it looks a little different. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So 5 is the same as 4 and 1. So let's make our tower show that. 5 is the same as 4 and 1. So now you can spend some time breaking our tower to see what different numbers you can find hidden in there. So 5 would be the same as 2 and 3. So spend a little bit of time exploring those numbers with 4 and 5, and then you're going to go to Seesaw and do your next work. Have a great weekend and enjoy your time. Bye.